Hello, welcome back to the Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. Winning tip number 7. This video focus on winning tip number 7. The marketing. I show you the detail. So when you set decision for the marketing for the 3 market reason, you need to set the decision for the number of features and the pricing and the promotion. And that's for the 2 market in each region, right? For 2 market in each region. So for example, we try to sell best here, so we increase the max feature. We set the max features, the max feature for each market. Take for started selling, So to set the price, we can base on this number. The cost here, right? So this one can be 200 or 199. The cost here 1000, the cost here much higher, so we need to set that 1500 more. So this 3500 for the price. This one is okay, 60 more, so that's 30 more. That's the way we set decision for the marketing, right? Decision for marketing. We can also check the report to see the competitive product. We can check the report to see the competitive product, the price, the number of features, and also the unit we can sell, right? And we can check this to compare the promotion and sales, and the R&D budget for each round. The total R&D here, you see that some companies started spend early, some company, and also we are spending the strongest promotion here, right? So much higher than the other competitors. That's the winning tip number 7, marketing decision. If you have any question, you send the email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. You can check the other video for more winning guide and tips of different rounds and top 10 winning guide and tips. Again, if you have any question, you can send the email or get the free support for round 1 and round 2 to cesim2020@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.